cream of mushroom soup can be made from a can or from your heart. So ditch the can and just follow me because I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. Say hello to my shrooms. I've got some sliced cremini, sliced white button mushrooms, and shiitake. For these, they have a really tough stem, so I like to just cut them off, then just slice them up. You know, I love the flavor of shiitake mushrooms, but gosh, they're just so not pretty. But that's okay, it's how you taste that matters. How it tastes, not how you taste. In this pot, I'm gonna add butter. Let that melt really well before you add some onions. Just stir it around and let it cook for a few. Add your mushrooms in all at one time. Don't worry about overcrowding your pot. You don't need them to caramelize, you just want them to soften. If you know, mushrooms are mostly made of water. So these are gonna absorb all that butter and then release it back out with its water contents. Science! The mushrooms have reduced in size. You see that liquid right there? That is enough. To thicken the soup, I have some flour here. Make sure each mushroom gets coated. That way you cook out the raw taste of the flour before you add your liquids. You're gonna notice a little bit of browning on the pot. That's a good thing. Don't freak out because wine is coming to the rescue. White wine preferably, and that really releases the fond that forms at the bottom. That's all flavor. Bring it down, Jen. Flavor. It provides flavor. Now some chicken broth. You could also use vegetable broth. Stir, 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 and let it come to a boil. See that the soup has thickened up a bit. Now it's time for the cream because it's cream of mushroom soup. Hit it with some salt and pepper and stir it up. Beautiful. I didn't add any thyme to the dish, but I think just adding a few sprigs really brings out the woodsy earthiness. It's like you're going to the forest, you have your little animal creatures, and everyone's like, oh, a soup! These are the fairy tales in my head, because I'm a fat ass. And there you have it, homemade cream of mushroom soup. My mouth is watering like a dog. Oh. If that's not homemade comfort, I don't know what is. I hope you guys give this a try. I'll see you next time. Remember to just eat life. Hot. It's so good.